Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic the use of this. Okay? आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो दिस के बारे में है कि हमने दिस का इस्तेमाल कहाँ पर और कैसे करना है. The word is used to show something similar near to you. The word is used to show something. दिस का इस्तेमाल हम करीब के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं और एक चीज के लिए सिंगुलर थिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. समझ आ गई? जैसे दिस इज अ पेन, ये एक पेन है. दिस इज अ कैट, ये एक बिल्ली है. समझ आ गई? लेट्स स्टार्ट सम एक्टिविटी विद स्टूडेंट. आर यू रेडी? ओके.
This is a pen. This is a scale. This is a pencil. This is a book. This is a file. This is a chart. This is a chart.
Make a some sentence. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Aliza.
C A T. Cat. This is a cat.
Okay. Next.
B develop cat. Books. This is a book.
Good. Next.
D O G dog. This is a dog.
Good.
Hi, my dear fellow. Today we learn the use of it. Let's start activity. It is a pen. It is a box. It is a notebook. It is a razor. It is a marker. It is a mobile. It is a pencil.
Good.
Make sentence. Let's start. Let's start first. P-E-N, pen. It is a pen. Second. B-O-X, box. It is a box. Third. P-A-P-N-E. It is a table.
Good.